another video on how I'm using Gen AI and specifically ChatGPT to try and figure out new ways of doing things that in the past I would have done with a lot of manual effort. And so here is an example of a mind map that I had ChatGPT generate. And so those of you who know me know that I love my visuals, love my Miro, love my Lucid Spark, that I can go create really nice flow diagrams and stuff like that. And the other day I heard that, hey, you can generate these flow diagrams with and mind maps with ChatGPT. And I was like, there's no way that can happen. But anyway, and as you know it, anytime somebody tells me something, I try to take a real example that I can apply it to. So it's not just theoretical. And so my wife just published her book, amazing book, and I'll put a link of that in the downstairs in the comments for anybody who wants to go check it out. But the point being that we're thinking about how do we create some buzz around it, and so we just briefly discussed how would I create an Instagram account. Now I know nothing about Instagram. I'm not on Instagram, and I have no idea about how to create a marketing campaign for a self-published book. And I was like, this could be a good example. So went to ChatGPT and I gave it a, the blurb. Again, for those of you who have now been following, you realize it's all about the blurb. If you give the prompt properly, you get a lot of information. Now I know I could put this in my profile and stuff like that, but I just like to keep it simple for now. But basically described the book, talked about what the themes are, and then I said, hey, listen, I would like to create an Instagram account and run a multi-month marketing campaign to build a following that would like my book. Can you generate a mind map of this? And so to do this, you got to go to ChatGPT and you got to select the whimsical diagrams custom GPT. And once you do that, this is what it did. And I think it's pretty amazing. It basically talks about who the target audience is, which is young adults, mostly girls, key themes in the book. And again, we can change this, but from my blurb, it was able to get that. Then the key highlights in the book. Then it talks about the marketing strategies: create the account, share snippets and quotes from the book, post engaging content related to the key themes, highlight French culture and language learning, show diverse cultures through food related posts, connect with the young adult book communities, collaborate with influencers in the target demographic. And so now I have a good idea of like what all we need to do. And then these are the goals that we wanted. And again, point is not like did it get it accurate or not, but the point is I did not have to type any of this out. I just gave the blurb, and ChatGPT was able to generate this mind map, and I'm pretty sure it can generate flowcharts and other things. So another good example of where all the time that we tend to spend today dragging things, typing stuff out, can be done by ChatGPT if you have the right prompt. Thank you.